Saline Valley Road in the BLM area. So we hopped on that road and headed on up towards Ubehebe Crater, with the first stop being at the boxcar cabin.
Okay. First stop is the train car.
Copy that.
Yep, that's a train car.
This boxcar was constructed from an old narrow gauge railway boxcar, and it was used for mining operations in the late 1950s.
No mouse poop?
And since then, it has kind of just been taken care of.
Yeah, I guess it's bring your own.
And used as a launching area for a lot of adventures out here in Death Valley. So right up here, we hopped on the Lee's Mine to Hunter bypass. So it's kind of just a lost trail out here. So I do have another video I'll link to in the description of the ride through this area. So that trail dumped us back on Saline Valley Road, and from there we hopped onto the Hunter Mountain Road. As you can see, we're starting to hit a little bit of snow as we hit some elevation.
as bad as that stuff yesterday.
Actually call this 50-mile stretch of road the Racetrack via Hunter Mountain.
Do it. Yep.
Right? Yeah. This place is rather big.
It is.
Hey, if you don't like the terrain, give it 15 minutes. If you don't like the weather, give it 15 minutes.
Eventually, Hunter Mountain Road took us to the Teakettle Junction, where we would take the Racetrack Valley Road to Ubehebe Crater.
Teakettle Junction.
Let's see, going down to the racetrack. Is that right? I got a half a tank.
No, actually, this is the point where we, where are you? Oh yeah, you got a lot of fuel. This is the point where we can go up to Ubehebe and come back,
Okay.
or we go back that way.
I don't remember what it looked like from a distance.
Everybody seemed to have plenty of gas, so we decided to go ahead and go on to Ubehebe Crater. So when we got to the crater, there was nobody here except for us. I think maybe the main road had been washed out and closed, so you weren't getting the normal amount of tourists that come to this area.
Nobody here.
I think the road's closed the other way.
Oh yeah?
Ubehebe Crater.
There's water down in the water. Yeah. There's a sippy hole. You see it? Here's the path right here.
Ski down it.
Hey, David.
There's the path. You guys want to walk down it? Start over there. And it winds all the way down.
It looks terrible coming back, right?
So I wonder how deep it was before it got filled in with erosion.
Right? Yeah, that's a good point. Right?
Okay, time for a little lunch.
Going back, we took a different route at Teakettle Junction, and this took us to the racetrack. This is the place where you see the rocks seem to move on their own.
Well, last time you came over, I was over in your line, so that worked out.
Holy cow, comes Ranger.
Okay, here's the racetrack.
That group of rocks in the middle is what they call the grandstand.
That's right, yeah. Now, did you guys come in from that direction, from Hunter Mountain? Oh, from Cerro. Did you stop by Cerro Gordo? Yeah, really? We've been up there when there was a flood up there. Yeah. Sometimes you can't get through. This path is an
We missed the right, David.
Yep, that way.
Our next stop was Lippincott Pass, which would eventually take us to Saline Valley Road and back to our camp. So we're back to our camp on Saline Valley Road Alternate. So time to fry up a couple steaks and have a couple beers. See you on the next ride.
Hey, 120.5 on the wheel.
Yep, 120.2.
I like how much trim kept in the last hour.
So you know you can go 120 miles now.
Right?